Hi friends, welcome to Pyramid Build channel. In this video I am going to explain the recent game which is rocking total world. The name of the game is Garten of Banban. In YouTube, this is the game which was been watched and searched more in the terms of millions and million in the recent 1 month. This game was been released on 6th January 2023. The developer is Euphoric Brothers and publisher is Euphoric Brothers. This game is nothing for but for the kids, purely for the kids. This game is to make friends. The name of the game is Garten of Banban. Garten of Banban is a new and fresh game mainly to make friendship. To play this game you need a computer minimum having 64-bit processor and an operating system, and the recommend is more than 64-bit processor to have a high quality and very clear picture of the game. So as I told earlier, this Garten of Banban is a game mainly to make some friends and explore the mysterious establishment, and we must not lose our life and sanity. That is the main thing. The truth is behind the place. We need to play very careful without losing the life and sanity. As I told earlier, this game is especially for kids and it loves the kids very much, and all the kids like to play such kind of game, Banban's Kindergarten. So friends, thanks for watching. Please subscribe the channel.